This is La Playa Resort. Welcome all. Hello guys. Good morning everyone. This is it. This is Bantayan Island, Santa Fe. And this is my sister guys. This is my younger sister. This is it. This is the Bantayan Island Resort. And this is the Jelly Resort guys. You can come here. You're welcome all to come here. All my viewers out there, you can visit here in my place. This is my hometown guys. This is the paradise of Bantayan Island, Santa Fe. And this is my Junakis. This is my kids. And di ami karon nga ligo. There is a La Playa Resort guys. This is view guys, dear guys. You are all welcome here. Thank you for watching.